Okay, let's take a closer look at Tyvek, why I love it. It's strong and super easy to cut. This is the type of Tyvek that's used for wrapping um, rugs. And I got a roll of it from Material Concepts. They don't have these short rolls available all the time, but it was a great deal. But if you don't have Tyvek, you can use manila envelopes. You can even make it out of just magazine pages. Um, Anything a little bit glossy is better. Plastic file folders are possible, UPO or Mylar, coated front pages of magazines, other styles of reinforced envelopes, all can be used to do stencils. So if you don't have Tyvek, you still have plenty of options. Now we have a fabric form of Tyvek that's very soft and flexible and still strong. So I bought one of those coveralls to see how it would work. Again, I said it's strong, but it's so flexible that it's a little bit more difficult to work with. So as you can see, these envelopes are really the perfect choice. They're nice and flat. They're made from the paper-like structure. If you can find a house project, go up and say, hey, you got any waste? I need it for my art. So I'm hoping that this little visual gave you some ideas on how to get some Tyvek and what the differences are. Happy printing!